Hi everyone, this is Christian from zensmokealarms.com.au based in New Farm, Brisbane. We are Australia's interconnected photoelectric smoke alarm experts. Just letting you know, it's a really good idea to test your smoke alarms monthly. Testing your smoke alarms monthly ensures they're still working, they're still interconnected, and they're ready to protect you in the event of a fire. To test your ZEN Smoke Alarms, there's two ways you can do that. So the first method is just by pressing the center surface of the alarm itself. Let's give that a go. Second method is by using the ZEN Smoke Alarm remote control. We're just going to press the test button. The ZEN Smoke Alarm remote control is available on our website, or we actually give it away for free with all our ZEN Smoke Alarm bundle packs. Convenience in the palm of your hand.